Have you ever wondered how to make money online without any investment? In the digital age, the internet offers a plethora of opportunities to generate income, and the best part is, many of these methods don't require any upfront investment. However, with so many options at your disposal, it's crucial to sift through the noise and find legitimate ways to make a buck. Stay tuned as we explore 8 legitimate ways to earn money online without any upfront investment. Firstly, we have freelancing. It's all about offering your unique skills and services to clients on a project basis. Perhaps you're a whiz at graphic design, or maybe you're a wordsmith who can craft compelling content. Whatever your talent, there's likely a demand for it. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are treasure troves for finding freelance work. They connect you with clients who need your expertise. So dust off those skills and turn them into a money-making machine. Remember, your skill is your biggest asset. Second on our list are online surveys. Websites like Swagbucks and Survey Junkie provide a platform where you can earn money by simply sharing your opinion. All you have to do is complete a range of surveys and tasks, and voila, you're earning. It's as straightforward as giving your views on different products, services, or trends. And the best part? You can do it anywhere, anytime, and at your own pace. So remember, your opinion matters, and it can make you money. Next up, we have blogging and vlogging. This dynamic duo allows you to earn money from the comfort of your own home. How, you may ask? Well, through advertising, affiliate marketing, and sponsored content. Imagine your thoughts, your ideas, your unique take on the world becoming a source of income. It's about sharing your voice and letting the world tune in. At the heart of it all is creativity and consistency. With that, your content could be your paycheck. Moving on, let's talk about affiliate marketing. This is a method where you earn a commission for promoting another company's product or service. Think of it as being a middleman, but in the digital world. You recommend a product, and when someone buys through your referral link, you get a piece of the profit. Networks like Amazon Associates and ClickBank are great places to find products to promote. With the right strategy, affiliate marketing can be a lucrative venture. Our 6th method is online tutoring. In this digital era, sharing knowledge has never been easier or more profitable. Platforms such as VIPKid and Tutor.com provide a virtual space where you can instruct students in a vast array of subjects. Whether you're an expert in mathematics, a whiz at English, or fluent in a foreign language, there's a student out there eager to learn from you. So why not turn that expertise into cash? Share your knowledge and earn from it. Next, we have dropshipping. Imagine selling products online, but without the headache of managing inventory. That's dropshipping in a nutshell. You promote a product, make a sale, and your supplier handles the rest, including shipping. It's a perfect model for those wanting to dip their toes in the e-commerce world without substantial capital. Your role is to connect the customer with the product, and in return, you get a cut of the profit. Turn your entrepreneurial dreams into reality with dropshipping. Finally, consider offering social media management services. In this digital age, businesses, big and small, need an active social media presence to connect with their audience. But not all of them have the time or know how to do it effectively. That's where you come in. By providing services such as content creation, posting schedules, and audience engagement, you can help these businesses thrive in the online space. It's a win-win situation. Help businesses thrive online and get paid for it. So, there you have it. 8 legitimate ways to earn money online without any investment. We've explored freelancing, participating in online surveys, blogging or vlogging, affiliate marketing, online tutoring, dropshipping, and social media management. Each of these methods offers unique opportunities to leverage your skills and interests. Remember, the key to success is persistence and creativity. Now, it's your turn to explore these options and take action. Start earning money online today.